Welcome to Top 5 Best Rechargeable Nail Drills of 2026, available on Amazon. All links are in the description and pinned comment. Take your nail game to the next level with the Melody Susie's Scamander SC320H Rechargeable Nail Drill. Designed for acrylic, gel, and natural nails, this powerful device delivers professional quality results right from home. With speeds up to 30,000 RPM, it provides smooth and precise filing, shaping, buffing, and cuticle care with low noise, low heat, and minimal vibration for a more comfortable experience. The cordless rechargeable design gives you the freedom to work anywhere, while the lightweight handpiece offers better control and reduced hand fatigue. Plus, the included drill bits and sanding bands make it perfect for both beginners and professional nail artists. Create flawless manicures with the M-Mace Professional Nail Drill, a premium rechargeable device built for speed, precision, and convenience. Whether you're working with acrylics, gel polish, or natural nails, this machine is designed to deliver smooth, professional results with ease. Powered by a strong 35,000 RPM motor, it handles shaping, polishing, cuticle cleaning, and nail removal while maintaining low heat and ultra-quiet performance. Its cordless design and long battery life allow you to work comfortably anywhere without interruptions. The modern HD screen keeps track of speed and battery levels, while the ergonomic handpiece offers excellent grip and control during long nail sessions. At the current price of just $109.99, this nail drill delivers professional-level performance for nail artists and beauty lovers looking for quality and portability in one device. Lavinda Professional Nail Drill, a sleek, cordless e-file created for smooth, fast, and effortless nail work. From acrylic removal to gel polishing and precise shaping, this device is built to handle every step of your manicure routine with professional accuracy. Equipped with a high-speed 35,000 RPM cordless motor, it delivers powerful performance while keeping vibration, noise, and heat to a minimum for a more comfortable experience. The rechargeable cordless design gives you freedom to work anywhere, making it perfect for both home users and nail technicians. Its modern lightweight body offers excellent control during detailed nail work, while the long battery life supports extended manicure sessions without interruption. And with the current price at only USD $86.39, this nail drill offers premium features and professional quality results at an incredible value. A's Go-Go Professional Brushless Nail Drill. Designed for acrylic, gel, and natural nails, this cordless device delivers smooth shaping, polishing, and nail removal with impressive precision. Powered by a high-speed 40,000 RPM brushless motor, it offers strong and stable performance with low noise, low heat, and minimal vibration for a more comfortable manicure experience. The rechargeable cordless design and smart digital display make it easy to use anywhere, whether at home or in a professional salon. With its premium build quality and advanced features, this nail drill is an excellent choice for nail artists looking for power and portability. The current price is USD $127.41. The M-Gem transform your manicure routine with this professional brushless cordless nail drill designed for powerful performance and smooth salon quality results. Ideal for acrylics, gel nails, polishing, and detailed nail prep, this rechargeable device combines precision with portability. Featuring a high-speed brushless motor, it delivers strong and consistent power with reduced noise, low heat, and minimal vibration for a more comfortable nail experience. The cordless rechargeable system allows complete freedom of movement, while the digital display makes speed and battery monitoring simple and convenient. Its sleek, lightweight handpiece offers excellent control for shaping, filing, and removing acrylic or gel nails with ease. With a current price of USD $119.99, this nail drill is a great option for anyone looking for premium performance and professional-level results at home or in the salon. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!